Now, we study the applications of Henry's law. Applications of Henry's law. Very important. What are the? It finds several applications in industry and explains some biological phenomena. Some biological phenomena. Notable among these are: number one, the first application, that is in the manufacturing of carbonated beverages. Carbonated beverages, it means in the cold drinks, CO2 is filled at high pressure. At high pressure. At high pressure. In the industry, CO2 can be filled into the cold drink bottles at high pressures to dissolve this gas into the course soda water. So this is the very important application in the food beverages industry. The next application, that is in the deep sea diving. In the deep sea diving, the scuba divers, when they go down deeper and deeper into the sea water, then in the deep there is the high pressure exerted by the water. High pressure, there is a very high pressure, because the pressure is inversely proportional to the deepness. Then directly proportional to the deepness. The tanks that are used by the scuba divers are filled with the air diluted with the helium. Hence the tank will contain the 11.7% helium, 56.2% nitrogen, and 52.1% of oxygen. If this mixture is not carried by the scuba divers, if there is only nitrogen and oxygen in their tanks, then bends occur. Then vents occur. Vents, it means the bubbles that remains in the blood vessels. Bubbles of nitrogen, actually bubbles of nitrogen that remains in the blood vessels, that they cannot come outside from the body. The third application, that is for the climbers, are the people at the high altitudes. That is also very important. Low blood oxygen causes the climbers to become weak and unable to think clearly. Actually, we already know that oxygen is very essential for humans for living, and oxygen get dissolved into our blood if there is high pressure, according to the Henry's law. If the high pressure is there, then then O2 will get dissolved into the blood spontaneously. If the pressure is very low, then the dissolution of oxygen is not happen, uh, into the blood is not happened spontaneously, and such a condition is known as the anaxia. Anaxia actually is a condition in which, due to the low concentration of oxygen in the blood, the weakness and unavailing of the to think clearly occurs. Anaxia. Thank you.